Sino ba ito na hinahamon at pinahihiya ang pangalan ng Panginoong Diyos? Sabi niya, dalhin ninyo ako kay Saul, ang hari. Ako magpepresenta na lalaban sa kanya. I will be the one. Who is this uncircumcised Philistine who is trying to mock and malign the name of the God of Israel? Bring me to King Saul, because I will be the one to volunteer to fight against this giant.